Welcome back to Camaro Boys. Today we have some work to do on the Camaro carbon fiber mirror covers and my buddy C8 Corvette. Okay, so what I ended up doing is getting surface prep. That way it gets rid of any of the static and everything else, and use some of this 3M adhesive, cut it up into little pieces, and basically made it to where it should come off in one larger piece, which is good. And I've got that all around so that when I install this, it'll be good to go. And this is basically the carbon fiber mirror cover right here. And it's actually a dry carbon on the inside, I guess, and then they use it like an epoxy resin to get that gloss on the outside. But it matches up extremely well. It's actually a really nice piece. I'd be very happy to put this on the car. I guess what I'm doing here first is lining it up at the bottom so that it all goes on there. It'll be nice and lined up, and then what you want to do is push on it to make sure you're getting all the little spots that you need to, and then it should be good to go from there. No, that's pretty awesome. I mean, it looks great, and we're out here with the C8, so this is pretty awesome too. Today's been a good day for car stuff. Let's do a quick walk around. This is all still wrapped here. Looking good there. And of course we've got the carbon wing. This is actually my buddy's C8 Corvette, and he's going to be joining us on the channel. I'm going to link his Instagram below. But man, by the end of this, his car sounds like a beast. Hope you guys enjoy these random clips from the install and the sounds and results. This is what the C8 Corvette sounds like with no exhaust and OEM pedals. Exhaust all done, what an amazing sound. Alright guys, well I just want to wrap this up with my video, these carbon fiber covers in the sun. I'm telling you, this is really nice carbon. It looks like dry carbon underneath and then an epoxy resin on the top, so it is just a thin cover, but I feel like if you get it ceramic coated, it shouldn't be too much of an issue to keep the UV light and everything off of it. As you guys can see there, it matches up really well with the remaining other pieces of carbon. I mean, this is also real. And you can see the metallic. I think that's the biggest difference when you're looking in like a wrap or something versus like this. It has a very like metallic-y looking person, and you can't really, I mean, you really can't beat it. It has depth. It's absolutely gorgeous. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm super excited to continue all of this and have the C8 as part of our channel, and new stuff coming from my sponsor Auto Addicts. So stay tuned. This is definitely going to be an awesome ride.